Having the right gutters installed on your Muncie, Indiana home is essential to protecting it from stormwater damage. But how do you increase their protection? By using LeafX gutter covers. Here's why. LeafX gutter covers can often install directly over your existing gutters, so unlike alternatives, there is no costly requirement to replace your entire gutter system. They also attach directly to your gutters without drilling into your roof or fascia, so there's no risk of a future leak. They have unique ridges that allow them to stand up to the toughest Muncie, Indiana weather. These ridges slow the water flow, ensuring it goes into the gutter and doesn't overflow. They also prevent the buildup of ice and snow in the winter, which keeps the gutters from getting damaged. LeafX gutter covers come in various colors that allow you to match your home style and aesthetic perfectly. They also line up perfectly with the roofline, and with their unique coating, they resist corrosion and fading. LeafX comes with a manufacturer's lifetime clog-free warranty, which outshines the alternatives. If you're ready to upgrade your gutter system with LeafX gutter covers, call Clemens Home Solutions for your free estimate at 765-358-7535.